Okay, the next section is the training data, and this is kind of an ever-growing section. So the way that this works is if you want to feed in any extra information about, specifically about this client. So we're going to come in here, we're going to click training data. We're going to come in here and there's brand blueprints, voice profile, style guidelines, winning copy, feedback, or context. And you can just choose an option, so it doesn't matter right now, so I'm just going to click add. But you'll also notice here it gives you some markdown formatting guidelines. You don't have to do it that way, but you can. So we're going to click add content. We're going to choose context or background. I'm going to pull some actually content specifically for Adam Mesh from his blog post. So we're going to go in here. This is going to give context. So I'm literally going to copy the entire blog post. So we're going to copy and you're going to paste it in here. Now what's going to happen is I'm going to leave it like this, but you don't have to format it like Markdown will happen. But if you hit add content, you're going to see something happen and I want to explain it. So if we hit add content, and you'll notice now there's a bunch of different things. So this is called chunking. So what AI does is it chunks it into bits and pieces. So we're going to give it context. And so even though you pasted it as one, it is going to chunk it. Now what we want to do is probably chunk it, have it being chunked organized. I know that sounds funny, but instead of letting the system just kind of break it up where you think it should, where it thinks it should break it up, because it's just doing it based on a character count, you probably want to chunk it yourself. In this case, I'm not seeing anything majorly wrong with this, so I'm going to leave it as is. Also, earlier, if you remember, we had under transcribe, we had transcribed the webinar. So we're going to go in here, we're going to click view, we're going to copy that, and we're going to come back over to clients. Click on it again, go to Prosper Trading, go to training data, and we're going to add some more content here. We're going to say winning copy example and click add content. Now this is a 25-minute, 29-minute, so you'll notice that's going to chunk it into a bunch of spots. That's okay. All this is doing is it's now giving the AI system more context to write the copy. Okay. So that is the process of adding training data. You can come in here and sort after and just say, hey, I just want to look at the winning copy, and it will just sort it, just that. Or if I want to see the context, it will. Otherwise, I can just leave it as all types. So you want to come in here and actually give it as much content and context as you possibly can, because that helps it know more about this client.